UAE stock surge as rate cut hopes lift investor sentiment. UAE stock markets ended the week on a strong note, powered by optimism that the U.S. Federal Reserve is preparing to cut interest rates. Dubai's main index jumped around 1.2%, its best session in nearly 2 months, while Abu Dhabi's index also gained, supported by banking, real estate, and energy shares. Why markets rally? The rally was driven by growing confidence that the Federal Reserve will soon deliver its first rate cut, following signs of a cooling U.S. labor market. Lower U.S. rates would ease pressure on Gulf economies whose currencies are pegged to the dollar, making local borrowing cheaper and encouraging investment. Adding to the momentum, Brent crude rose more than 1%, providing a boost to energy-linked stocks. Supply concerns from global conflicts and production risks outweighed weak demand signals, helping maintain positive sentiment across Gulf markets. Dubai market highlights Emaar Properties surged nearly 1.8%, leading gains in the real estate sector. Dubai Investments rallied about 3.5% on news that it may list its property unit. Emirates NBD, one of Dubai's largest lenders, gained more than 2% as investors priced in the benefits of lower funding costs. Abu Dhabi performance. Abu Dhabi's main index rose roughly 0.5%. Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank jumped 3.4%, while Emirates Telecommunications Group climbed 1.8%. Energy stocks were also supported after ADNOC announced restructuring plans, consolidating several listed subsidiaries under its international arm. Sector winners. Banking lenders were the biggest beneficiaries, as rate cuts could boost loan demand and economic activity. Real estate developers saw strong buying interest, signaling investor confidence in the UAE property market. Energy oil price strength lifted ADNOC-linked stocks and other energy players. Outlook surge reflects how closely Gulf markets are tied to global monetary policy. While optimism is strong, analysts caution that the Federal Reserve will move carefully as inflation remains a concern. For UAE markets, sustained momentum will require more positive catalysts, such as robust earnings and continued strength in oil prices. Bottom line, investor enthusiasm is back in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, fueled by hopes of easier monetary policy and higher oil prices. If the Fed confirms a rate cut in the coming weeks, Gulf markets could see even more upside, but traders will watch inflation data and global trade developments closely before declaring a full recovery. Why?